Hey guys, I just got back from traveling, so if I look tired, it's because I am tired. I traveled all day. I'm home now, and I was met with this guy. Shout out to my supplier of Abdul Qurashi and Arabian Oud, Mason. I linked him pretty much on everything, his email if you ever need anything. He puts out these orders and he gets really good deals. Let's unbox this together. Okay, so this is a sleeve right here. Oh, that's fancy. Look at this. It looks like it opens from the middle. I probably should figure out how before I just do this. Oh, here we go. Okay, I love it. Okay, let's take it out. 1 second. Okay, so this is a gorgeous crystal bottle with Qurashi blend written on it from Abdul Qurashi. There are several Qurashis. It's got the A on the cap. Let's go ahead and spray this guy. All right, and while I'm spraying this, the notes are oud, Italian lemon, sandalwood, amber, musk, lily of the valley. And I get oud, but it's not funky because I'm also getting that sandalwood. And the lemon is there, which is kind of interesting because you wouldn't think that they go together. But it's there. The lily of the valley is there as well. I don't love lily of the valley, but it feels like a lot of oud fragrances have lily of the valley in them. This is like, it's definitely like an Eastern style oud, but it's not super oudy. Like this is an oud that I think a lot of people could get on board with as of the opening. And the lemon is actually really nice and it weirdly goes well in the fragrance. Muskiness, lemon, and the oud are what I'm smelling with that lily of the valley in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray this on skin, let this dry down, and come talk about it. It will still be a really short video. I just want to let it dry down for like 10 minutes and come back. So let's do that right now. Okay, I'm back. And the lemon is still there. And I'm telling you, it smells really good. It's not like a super oudy, skanky fragrance. I'm really not getting any funk. Like it's not super duper Eastern. I feel like it is actually entry level friendly. Again, the lily of the valley is still there. I'm getting a good amount of sandalwood. Amber is more in the background right now. I imagine that'll come out more as this dries down more. Even on the paper, lemon is definitely prominent. Amber's coming out more on paper than my skin currently, but we'll see throughout the life of the fragrance. I mean, you know what? There's a little bit of sweetness and it could actually be from that. Either way, I think it's a really nice fragrance. It's very classy. It's very elegant. I think this is one that I think a lot of people will like. I think anything that's like oudy can be a little risky, but in my opinion, pretty likable fragrance. Actually, this could be a love for me. Again, I feel like I really like the way it's done. I like that the sandalwood's coming out. Oud with sandalwood, I feel like, is a little more crowd friendly. I will do a full video on this. Absolutely love the bottle. Really glad to have this in my collection finally. Need more from this brand. And I hope everyone's having a good day.